Okay, we're starting off with our feet hip width apart, outer edges parallel. Find the 3 points of contact, base of the big toe, little toe, and heel. You can lift the toes up to get a nice sense of where those 3 points are anchoring to the floor. And then let your knees bend quite a bit. And then think about that. Lengthen the front, lengthen the back, thumbs at the base of the rib cage. Find that last floating rib. Pinky at the top of the hip. And then remember, the shoulders are going back, but the elbows are going wide to the sides. Okay? Here we go. Inhale, elevate, exhale, engage. So on the inhale, we lift up the rib cage, expanding it. On the exhale, we keep it, tighten. Inhale, expand, elevate. Exhale, engage. Good. Shoulders back and down, elbows wide. 3 more, just like that. Hold that upright. Remember, base of the skull, lifting up and away from the tailbone. Tug of war, tailbone, down, back of the head. Good. From here, we're gonna start to pull those hips back. We're not bowing like this. We're making sure that the hips travel back in space. The spine stays nice and long. The shoulders are now still fighting back and down. Elbows are still wide. Hold that right here, 5 breaths. Making sure that your chest is lifting, back of the neck long, shoulders back and down, you got it. Let's do one more breath here. And then come forward, shake that off. And now let's go right foot forward, left foot back. All right, so again, feet are hip width apart. Find those outer edges. Let the knees be unlocked a little bit. You can find the alignment of the hips. And then measuring sticks, thumbs at the base of the ribcage, pinky at the top of the hip. Same idea, lengthen the front, lengthen the back, shoulders back, elbows wide. Breathing. Every inhale, get the torso a bit higher. Every exhale, keep it up, pull the belly in. Keep challenging, especially this width right here, getting wide with the breath. Let's do one more. Remember the back heel's off the ground. Back heel off the ground. Okay, let's switch sides. So left foot forward, right foot back, outer edges. Back heel off the ground. Good. Knees unlocked. Find your hip alignment. Measuring sticks, like Hawaiian shaka signs. Feel that last rib. Make contact. Feel the top of the hip. Make contact. Shoulders back, elbows wide. And then we breathe in, decompression breath. Keep breathing up, elbows wide. 2 more. Last one. Just hold it here for a second, checking all your cues, and then step forward. Good. And then we're gonna do the same exercise we did first, but we're just gonna go a little bit wider. Just a little extra wide. Yeah, so you can use the outer edges of the mat for this one. Yeah, find that outer edge. We're gonna go feet parallel. So not 1 foot forward, the other one back, but sideways. There you go. Okay. So we got a bit wider. Everything else is exactly the same. Outer edges, 3 points of contact. Knees gently unlock, finding them to be kind of like stacked right over. Right over. Measuring sticks. And find the breath. Remember, we also talked about our starting position. Our starting position is not here with the hips kind of like forward like that. We're not like doing this. Our starting position is going to be with a slight hinge. Slight hinge. Just enough that we start to feel, okay, low back muscles, a little bit of glutes, a little bit of hamstrings. Here we go, 5 breaths. Lengthen, lifting the base of the skull up and away. 3 more. Last one. Now keep this here. We're gonna hinge the hips back on the inhale. Hinge the hips forward on the exhale. Hinge the hips, reach for that wall behind you, reach, reach, reach. Make sure the hips are going behind the heels. Press them forward. 3 more. Inhaling back. Exhaling forward. Inhaling back. Exhaling forward. Last one. And come on. Shake that off. Okay, let's go right foot forward, left foot back. You can do again, feet hip width apart, so not crazy wide like that, but just back to the original setting. Find your marks. Good. So, outer edges, ankles, knees, hips, spine, shoulders. Big inhale, expand, shoulders stay down. You got it. Two more, feel those ribs elevating. Feel the stretch on the hip of the back leg. Now keep this here. We're gonna go heel down to the floor. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, lift it up. Expand, elevate. Exhale, drop it down, but keep the upper body. Inhale, lift. Use that energy to get taller. Exhale, stay tall, but drop the heel. One more time. Down. And then step forward. And we'll switch sides. You know, it's just like shake that off a little bit if you want to move that energy. Okay. Find your lines. Make sure the feet are still straight forward like railroad tracks. Ankles, knees. Measuring sticks, shoulders. Getting tall. We're not leaning back like that. We're lengthen the front and lengthen the back. All right, here we go. For every inhale, ideally, a little more expansive and bigger than the last one. Always exhaling by pushing the abs. Keep thinking of the sternum elevating. Find that extension through the back. A couple more. And then we're gonna keep the position, drop the heel down, inhale, lift it, expand, exhale, stay expanded, drop it down. Lift lift up, down. Do it one more. And then step forward. Again, shake that off. Last one. Wide again like we did before with the outer edges on the outer edge of the mat. Okay, here we go, last one. We got our feet, ankles, knees, measuring sticks. Find the breath. Decompression breathing. Unlock the knees just a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna go back, inhaling, forward, exhaling. That's one. Let's go 4 more. 2. Inhale through the nose. Good. Now on the next one, you're gonna hinge the hips back, unlock the knees a little bit, and then just reach your arms forward. Palms facing towards each other, shoulders back and down. Good. Keep reaching your tailbone. It's going away from your fingertips. Making sure that the spine is upright and it's not collapsing by the weight of the hands. 5 breaths here. Keep working. Tailbone, back, 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 back. Long spine. Knees gently unlocked, stacked over. Shoulders back and down. Okay, a couple more. Last one. And then exhale, stand up, shake it off. Perfect. Good work.